What is going on, everyone? We are out here trying to check on our double poly here. It is nice and sunny and bright, so I figured I could pop this up. It's not nearly as cold as it has been. We want to see how this held up against negative 10 degrees at nighttime. So we've got all of these greens growing in here. We've got lots of Swiss chard, a bunch of pak choi. You can see our kohlrabi was pretty well picked clean by any worms we had in here. I just want to get a good reading of the ground. The ground is 60, 70 degrees inside here. So this is a plus. Everything's surviving. We're doing well with this setup here. And there's no energy put into it other than original build and setting up both of our polys here. There was no extra energy. We don't have compost heating it. We don't have anything extraneous running. So that is great news to us. We can build multiple 20-foot plus mini hoop houses and double coat them with poly and have food all winter. That is awesome in our book. We've got this beautiful pak choi. All our Swiss chard is feeling some effects of the cold, but it's still edible and it's still alive. This pak choi is just feet away from snow, and it is lush and green and doing well. I hope this helped everybody gain a little bit of knowledge with our little experiments here. We have sprouts coming up. You see that little sprout there? We've got a few little sprouts. I had sown seed through this whole 8-foot double poly bed here, and they're starting to sprout up. So our ground is staying warm enough in here to be able to sprout seeds, let alone keep everything growing. So this experiment is working very well. It is less work than our compost or our compost heated greenhouse. This is very, very simple and not a whole lot of work to it. I will continue bringing updates on all of our cold growing experiments. This is very cool to us, and I hope everybody can find some of this information useful.